friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this really cute mini album that I made with our brand spanking new scrapbook paper collection from cradle to stage, plus a few dies here and there. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, so I have this really cute Shabby Chic Mini Album to share with you. It is made out of watercolor paper along with the cardstock, and it makes it very, very durable. As far as the binding is concerned, we are looking just at regular ring binding, in which I went ahead and added a few strips of threads here and there to make it shabby-licious. Along here, and hang on a second, let me do something because it seems like it has flattened out some. What I like to do, see this die cut right here? I used my die from Craft Stash, which is this one right along here. It is from the Dainty Dreams collection featuring yours truly, and this is available at Craft Stash, and I will go ahead and link you to that. And so what I like to do now with, sorry about my voice, with my die cuts is I like to go ahead and turn them like so, and then I turn it like so, and there you go. See how nice and how it curls inward. I just love that effect. And so over here, I just did a ton of stuff to the front of this mini album. I did use some other die cuts from my stash, and of course here is one of these embellish bows that I sell at my store on my website, but I do believe I sold my very last one over the weekend. And I just added a few touches of gold here and there, and some flowers from my stash. And let's go ahead and open it to the first page. The first page is very simple. It gives you a lot of room for pictures, your regular pictures. One can go here, another one can go here. This one, this little die, excuse me, is a die cut once again from my Dainty Dreams collection, and it's gonna be the smaller one. And isn't she so darling? And so we go on to the next page, and once again we have room for a picture here, and over here you're gonna have room for another picture here. Let me see if I could show you real quick. See, there's going to be room for a photo here, one of them smallish ones. And this is more like a brag book, you know, a mom's brag book or whatever, for a recital, dance recital or something. And I just added some, I did a pin here using items from my stash. And this one, this little flower is handmade by yours truly. I was experimenting with some flowers, and so this is using that special foam. You know, it's not like regular foam, but it's the finer one that is malleable, so you can heat it up and do your flowers. So that's what I was doing over here. And then the next page looks like so. Again, I use my dies from the Dainty Dreams collection, and this is going to be the smaller die. Whoops, this smaller die, and I just went ahead and mounted it right up here. It's so cute, and look at her, isn't she precious? And so we go on to the next page, and in the next page, once again, I used the butterfly die for my Dainty Dreams collection, and I used a frame die from my stash. And once again, you could add your picture in there. And this is just a prima ballerina. She's just practicing her art, and is so lovely. I just love how shabby and everything it all came out. And this is the back page, and this is what it looks like. Oh, and I also wanted to mention that this mini album is part of my giveaway. Yes, I am holding another giveaway this month for the items that I made with our scrapbook paper collection, that is from Cradle to Stage. And I will go ahead and link you to that paper collection in the description area underneath my YouTube video. And yeah, just for the giveaway rules, just go ahead and check them out in the description down below. Thank you so very much for watching. I will see you once again real soon. Bye.